guys, Andrea Strange, Public Outreach Coordinator for Warren County Stormwater, here with
Matt Powell, Environmental Manager for the City of Bowling Green.
Today is day 5 of our Stream in a Jar experiment, and we've got some bad news. Our experiment hasn't exactly worked the way that we expected it to.
Sad news. No, not at all. So over the course of the days, we were expecting to find that some of the species would die out due to lack of oxygen or some of the factors that change when we put them all inside this jar, but then some other species would kind of take over and we would find a new equilibrium, and we would see that, that ebb and flow of different species moving through this process. However, what we've seen over the course of the last several days is that everything in this jar is slowly dying. So the plants are still alive, and some of the lung snails are still alive. So we decided to go ahead and abort the mission and let the things that are still living back out into the same environment that we took them from.
Let's have a moment of silence for all of our homies that didn't survive.
Yeah, we just saw some scuds and a few snails and
caddisfly larvae passed away. We lost a mayfly.
Yeah, a few things like that. So we're going to return it all back out to the ecosystem, and even the nutrients from those carcasses are going to go back up the food chain. There's scavengers in here that will eat those. So that's the thing about trying something you learned on YouTube, and that's the thing about science, is it's all about trial and error and success and failure. And in this particular case, we learned a lot. So next time we try this or try something similar to it, we've got some lessons, we've got some knowledge that we can take forward. But for now, we're going to go ahead and return what's left of this to the stream from whence it came. Alright, so even though this particular experiment didn't work, we're going to think of some other things to keep trying. For as long as we need to keep social distancing, we'll keep trying to bring you guys some science from all over Bowling Green and Warren County. So thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.